Let's have a small overview about what is employee stock option scheme. It is very commonly known as ESOS or ESOP. Okay. Now, what does this mean? Okay, this is basically an option given by the company to its employees. So when we say option, you are actually giving a right to the employees but not an obligation to apply for the shares of the company at predetermined price. I mean, if you are subscribing to the ESOS, you get a right to apply the shares of the company when they go for the issue at a predetermined price. Okay, so this would help the employees to acquire the shares of the company at a low cost. So what you have to understand is this is only a right and it is not an obligation. Okay, it is not an obligation. And another important thing is this right is exercisable only by the employees of the organization. Okay, and if a company is a listed company, then there is a detailed SEBI guidelines. Okay, there is a detailed SEBI guidelines available for listed companies that have to be complied with when companies goes for employees stock option scheme.